Hi guys, just going to show you the installation finishing touches on the Discovery 4. This is the 10.4 Tesla style screen. It works in conjunction with all functionality of the car, including the many cameras that can be around the car and also the original screen. As you can see, the TV, which is original to the car, is working fully, and then you can see all the touchscreen working at the bottom, showing all the original settings. You got the slide bar navigation at the top there, which basically shows all the navigation icons of the Tesla screen, and this includes the navigation of Google Maps or stuff you can download on it yourself. Also, it's got a DVR function on it, settings, explore browser, CarPlay is built into it, which I'll just give you a little look on the CarPlay. That's the, yep, there you go. So that's the CarPlay in action there. Obviously, you can see which will bring up the main screen, and you can see it looks nice and crisp on there. So I'm just going to keep it short today, guys. So if you want any questions in regards to the item, just drop them in the comment section below, or get in touch through our website or the phone number or the email address. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye.